Hello, good evening everybody. Welcome back to new video. And in today's video, we have got a topic with the name of large intestine. Uh, we have covered all the topics related to the digestive system from the starting of the alimentary canal up to the small intestine. So if you haven't checked out the videos of small intestine, do check them out. While in today's video, we are moving to the large intestine. So here are some beautiful pictures in front of you which show you the position, the structure of the large intestine in the digestive tract. So first of all, here we have got this is the primary structure which we are studying today, the large intestine. This starting from here, like all the parts are eliminated, rest parts are eliminated. This is the part is this section, this whole complete structure is called, this A diagram is called large intestine, which we are going to study today. Now this is space, right? This is a space over here, this is a cavity over here. In this cavity we've got the small intestine. In this cavity we have got small intestine which is fitted, and we are done with small intestine previously in the last video. So as we zoom out, here is a digestive tract, and it's starting from here and going down, and here comes the highlighted part, that is the large intestine, and inside it we have small intestine, and the large intestine furthermore leads to the anus and the rectum. This is how it works. And now let's get into the detail of the large intestine. So large intestine has consisting of several parts, probably three major parts. And first of all, that is cecum. Then we have the transverse, and we have got we can say that we have got the colon, and maybe in this diagram we are not having the all present. Yes, over here the part 1, the cecum, the part 2, the colon, it may be ascending, descending, or transverse. Number 3 part we have got the rectum, right? Third part is the rectum. There are three major parts in the large intestine which are present, and rest there are other structures present as well. Now over here you're gonna see that at some point there is a opening of the small intestine into the large intestine. So you're gonna see that this point, I'm just highlighting this point, this is the entry point in which it is entering into it. So at this place we have got the ileocecal valve. Now ileum and cecum both have got a valve between them, and that is called ileocecal valve, right? And this leads to the very first structure called as the cecum, which is having the food in the form of chyme, the fluidy form of the food, digestive, like it is kind of digestive food. And then we have got the cecum goes on, and the starting part is called the cecum. Then when it lifts upward, that part is ascending colon, and we have gone into the second part. Like the first one is the cecum, then we have been into the colon part. Now so it starts with the ascending colon, which lifts upward, then sorry, it takes a curve and it just gets straight horizontal, and that part is called the transverse colon. Then again there's a curve on the downward side, that is called the descending colon, until in the descending colon we here is the formation of the feces, like the chyme is no more present, the feces is present, and now it furthermore leads to the rectum, and this is how it lives. Same here, you've got the ascending colon. Here we have got highlighted parts, a transverse colon, we have got descending colon is blue, and we have got sigmoid colon, another colon section is introduced, and we have got rectum, and which leads to the anus. This is how it works. Again, more details into this diagram. Here is kind of a small organ, a vestigial organ present at this position, which is very highlighted. So this is maybe we are gonna discuss it, but it is not having any sort of proper function which has been researched yet, and it is hence termed as a vestigial organ. So this is vermiform appendix, even though this is not particularly part of the large intestine, it is included in the structure. Now we got the cecum, and then we have got This is from the small intestine. This we have ascending colon, then we have a transverse, and the curve present, the curved sections, they have got a proper name. The proper names include right colic flexure, hepatic flexure, or if you got left colic flexure, or sphenic flexure. Now hepatic is from the liver, so the one which is on the right side is on the liver side, so hence it is named as the like right colic flexure, while the left one is on the spleen side, so this is called as the sphenic flexure. Then we have got the descending colon, and after that sigmoid colon, and which leads to the rectum, and the anal, anal canal, and which leads to the rectum. Okay. uh, Large intestine anatomy. uh, okay, it starts from the end of the cecum, and it ends till the rectum, right? The right colon, ascending colon, hepatic flexure, proximal transfer colon, these are included. Left colon, distal transfer colon, sphenic flexure, descending colon, sigmoid. Okay, we are done with all these. Now, the functions of intestine, uh, they are of course having a role in the digestive tract. They reabsorb water and compact material into feces. Like as I said before, the the chyme enters into the large intestine at very beginning, in the cecum uh, part, but it leaves the large intestine in the form of feces. So absorption of water is very very important over here, and absorb vitamins produced by the bacteria, and store fecal matter prior to the defecation, because there may be some sort of nutrients present. Now, today we are done with the overview of the small intestine, and probably in the next video we will look into each of the sections, like the cecum, the colon, and the rectum. We'll look into details of them, and we will just look into more MCQs, more information according to competitive exams of the large intestine. So we're gonna say that this video can be the part one, part one, part one. This is the part one of the large intestine, right? So I do hope that you've got the concept. If you did like the video, meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.